Hello dear students, hope all of you are fine. This is our week 2 lecture, and in this week we will create a very simple project using Proteus and Arduino. In the meantime, I hope all of you have already installed the required softwares in your computer and created the environment for making a project. In our first experiment, we will create a simple project using Proteus and Arduino to make a LED turn on and blink. The softwares required here are Proteus and Arduino, and we will use three types of components. Those are Arduino UNO, LED, and last one is resistor. And the working sequence will be, first we will start creating a project in Proteus, then we will design the circuit in Proteus, then we will write code in Arduino software, which code will control the designed circuit. For that we need to sketch the code for generating a .hex file, that is .acx file, and later the hex file will must to be integrated with the Arduino UNO, and then we will run the circuit to get the desired output, and then the steps finished. At first, open the Proteus software and click in new project here, like this window. To create a new project, we must have to follow some steps, go through some steps. First, we have to give a name of the project. You can give any name according to your choice in the name box, and in the path box you can browse the location where you want to save the project, and then click next. Then this type of window will appear, and we will select the option which is create a schematic form from the select template. That means we are using a organized template, and then we will click next. In this window we will select the option do not create a PCB layout. For our project we do not need PCB layout. If any type of design or layout required, we will create that initially, and after selecting the layout we will click on the next button. From this window there are three options, and we will select the option which is written no firmware project. For our project we will not use any firmware, and we will write required code for our desired output. After selecting the option, we will click next. This is the summary shown here. It shows that we have selected a schematic template, but no PCB layout and firmware is selected in our project. And then we will finish. We will click on the finish. Now our project has been created. We can see many type of options in the left side. From those we will select the second one from the top side, that is the component mode. After selecting the component mode, we will select the P, that is we will click on the P button, and it will give us a window to pick various type of. The first component we need is the Arduino board. For that we will type Arduino in the keyword box. It will find all Arduino type devices. As a result, we will find Arduino UNO from the list and select Arduino. After selecting Arduino UNO from the given list, we can see the preview of Arduino UNO in the right side. After that, we will click on the OK button. Now we need to add a register, and for this we will write min 300 in the keyword box. It will give a list like this, and we will select the register with M300R. It means that the register will be of 300 ohm. Resistor is important to make a efficient circuit, but sometimes without resistor circuit works well, but for better efficiency and protection we must use the resistor. The third component we need is LED. LED is like a light. We need to select any LED, and for this we will write LED in the keyword box. That will give a result like this list. From this list we will select any LED. We can pick any colored LED from the list and click the OK button. We have added Arduino UNO, resistor and LED. Now connect the resistor with any pin which are indicated with 0 to 13. I have connected with pin 12. Connect the other side of the resistor with the LED. As every circuit should be attached with ground, we need to add a ground terminal. For that, click on the terminal mode option from the left side, which is indicated by the red colored arrow here. After clicking on the terminal mode, we will get some terminals. From them, click the ground and connect with the LED. Now our circuit is ready. Now open the Arduino software and write the code. As we have connected the LED, actually the resistor with the pin 12 of the Arduino UNO, for that the variable named LED is written equal to 12. We will write commands in the loop to ping the LED with 500 millisecond interval. Then sketch the code. Save the file, give the name and select the desired location. To find in the .acx file, click Ctrl K and go to the location. Notice the location of the hex file. Now come back to the Proteus software, double click on the Arduino UNO and browse the location of the hex file. It is our program file. Select the .acx file, browsing the location and click on the open option. Then click OK to integrate the hex file with the Arduino UNO. Now run the project clicking on the left bottom corner. If you do everything properly, the LED will turn on and turn off with 500 millisecond interval, which is actually called